sure I look great. Hi friends, I'm Erin Mack, and today we are going to try to prune my rubber tree. I say try because I'm not sure how it's gonna go. This tree is very tall. I don't know, 7, 8 feet tall, and it's almost touching the ceiling. So we're gonna try and prune it. I have pruning shears. I have my gloves on because this emits a white sap that can be irritating. We're gonna prune it. We're gonna try and propagate what our cuttings are, and hopefully we have a beautiful plant and baby plants afterwards. Fingers crossed. Taking the stakes out because this plant can't stand on its own. Here's my weak ass trying to cut it, and oh look, I can't. Oh, also make sure you're cutting at a 45-degree angle. Here I am wiping off that weird milky stuff. It's like it's bleeding, so watch out. Okay, so I'm cutting at a 45-degree angle in the middle of the 2 leaves. Since we cut 2 of the rubber trees, we had so much more than this left over. We had so many cuttings that we're keeping this tall one as is. We're gonna put our clippings into a jar of water to help the roots come out and grow so we can have a little baby plant. Now we have our cuttings in our jar of water. We're gonna put it in a bright space so the roots can grow. This is what it looks like now. Fingers crossed that this one is gonna branch and grow, and then that one that we cut all the way down to the pot will continue to grow. I'm a little nervous because it looks so bare right now, but hopefully it will be able to grow more, be healthier, bushier, not be encumbered by the ceiling. Hopefully there's lots of progress with roots growing. So we'll give you an update in a couple weeks. Now we're repotting our propagated rubber tree plants. It's been a few weeks since I pruned my super tall tree and put the rubber tree cuttings into jars. I gave a lot of the jars away to friends, and hopefully they'll have their own little rubber trees soon. Our cuttings have been in the water for about a couple weeks, and they've grown lots of white, healthy roots, and a lot of them already have, I don't know if you can see that, a little leaf coming out. We're gonna repot them and turn them into big rubber trees later along down the road. I wanted this tall one to develop a little bit more roots before I potted it, so I put a propagated pothos in to speed up the growing process. Okay, I have my pot and some well-draining soil and my propagated rubber tree cutting. Yeah, let's pot it and see what it looks like. We're gonna make a hole in it. We're going to plant this part with this out of the soil. And it's potted! Wow! I know I should be wearing gloves, but whenever I repot something, I feel like I can't really get in there if I'm wearing gloves, so I'll just wash my hands. It's fine. That's where it is. I'm gonna water it and then put it in a nice spot to live in. That's me repotting the propagation. It was a little tricky to get the bark and roots inside of it while, I don't know, having this pop out. You just need to finagle it? Move stuff around and see what works to have it pop out of the ground. We'll see how they grow. I think they should do really well. The other rubber trees like my apartment, so hopefully they'll like it here too. I know I started this video because I couldn't really find videos about pruning your rubber tree because they were too tall. All of the videos were about cutting to propagate or to make them branch, because when you cut them, they branch, they split off into two different things. So I was worried that it would be different or that it would somehow kill my plants if I tried to do it. But my 8 or 9 foot rubber tree seems to be doing really well. It is branching and it looks like it's gonna be okay. I'm really happy with everything. I might have to eventually try and separate that big 3-pronged rubber tree, but that's not for this video because that seems like a very huge undertaking. I hope y'all enjoyed this video of me pruning my 2 tall rubber tree and planting my propagations. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more plant decor. Maybe I'll talk about other things. Who knows? You'll have to subscribe to see. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye!